Hi, and welcome to SyncSpeak. Today, we will introduce you to the mobile and desktop applications for unified communication. Let's get started. Modern companies and organizations like yours need modern office capabilities, and this means using a unified communications platform that has built-in redundancy and reliability, provides flawless communication from multiple devices and from multiple locations, offers staff one interface to access tools and one point of contact for troubleshooting, and gives you scalable interactions for on-prem, remote, and mobile teams. Today, we will go over how to use the desktop and mobile app to stay connected to your people. We'll go over settings, setup, and other features in both your desktop and mobile app. SyncSpeak is a VoIP service. Let's talk about what this means. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, and that means your call quality relies on your internet connection. So before making calls, you want to make sure to connect to Wi-Fi for a reliable connection. Let's get started with the desktop app, where you can log on for the day. To begin using the desktop app, you'll first have to sign in by going to voice.faconsulting.com. From there, you'll enter your username, which is your work email address, and your temporary password. If you don't know your temporary password, contact your phone admin. Once signed into your desktop app, you'll be taken to your home screen. From here, you can start a call, start a meeting, or start a chat. You can also dial here by showing your dial pad. You can redial by pressing this arrow here. You also have a place to check your messages, schedule meetings, check your voicemail, or see your call history. In this menu, click on the globe to see all of your contacts. This tab will open your internal or company contacts. Here you'll find your personal contacts. The star is your favorites, and here is your speed dial. If you click on Applications and go to Mobile Download, you'll see a QR code where you can scan and log into your Cornexa mobile app. There are also some settings under your avatar. If you click your avatar, you can set your status to Available, Away, Do Not Disturb, or Appear Invisible. Under Settings, there are some call settings under Calling. Here you can set your call forwarding and Do Not Disturb. Another helpful tab is the Security tab, where you can change your password from the temporary password provided by your admin to a new password that only you will know. Now let's take a look at the mobile app, which will help you to maintain your professional presence from anywhere. First, let's go over setting up your mobile app. We'll review how to download the app, as well as setting up your voicemail greeting. It's as easy as download and go. To download your mobile app, go to the App Store and search Cornexa. Once downloaded, click Open to start the app. You'll have to put in your username and password to sign in. You can also sign in via the QR code on the desktop app by following the directions we went over earlier. The Cornexa app tile will appear like this on your phone's home screen. After you've successfully downloaded and signed into your mobile app, you can set up your voicemail. To access your voicemail on the mobile app, tap Voicemail from the main menu. Then tap Greeting. Select the voicemail box for which you would like to create the greeting. Then select the greeting which you would like to record. Before recording, check with your phone admin to see if your company or organization has a sample script for you to follow while recording your greetings. To begin recording, tap and release anywhere on the screen. Then begin recording. Tap and release the screen to end recording. You can record your greeting as many times as you'd like. Tap Save once you are satisfied with your recording. Click this arrow to go back and record more greetings, or these three lines to go back to the main menu. Now let's check out how to check your voicemail. To review, click here on your desktop app to check your voicemail. Your voicemail messages will show here. On your mobile app, tap Voicemail here. All of your messages will be listed here. Here's a look at the desktop app and the mobile app side by side. This simple, user-friendly interface makes for a seamless experience. Next, we'll talk about calling on your mobile app. We'll cover making calls, calling extension to extension, and other active call features. When using your mobile app to make and receive calls, you want to make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi in order to avoid using your cellular data. Connecting to Wi-Fi ensures optimal call quality and also conserves your data plan, just by looking at your home screen. If you don't see the Wi-Fi symbol at the top right, here's how you can tell if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you are not connected to Wi-Fi. In the image on the right, you see the Wi-Fi symbol at the top of your home screen, so you know you're connected to Wi-Fi. When making a call from the mobile app, you first want to be sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Then, open the Cornexa app to dial out. You can search for the contact you would like to call, or use the dial pad to dial the number. Then, tap the green phone at the bottom of your screen. It's that simple. While using the Cornexa mobile app, you can dial internal extensions directly, just like you would on your physical office phone. Dialing by extension is a helpful feature for a number of reasons. It helps to conserve your minutes, it's a quick and convenient way to get in touch with your team from anywhere, it's cost-effective since you don't have to use your cellular data as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, and it helps you to maintain maintain your professional presence, as your call will be received as your work phone number rather than your personal number, even though you're calling from your cell phone. To call an internal extension, you can either dial the extension directly via the dial pad, then call, or if you can't remember the extension, you can search your contacts here, then tap the person whose extension you would like to call and call from here. Now let's go over how you can manage your active calls. First, to place a call on hold, tap the hold button here. To add a call, tap this button. You'll be taken to the dial pad where you can search or dial the person you would like to add to your active call. Then tap Add Call to add the call. To transfer a call to another line internally, tap Transfer. You'll again be taken to the dial pad where you can search or dial the person you would like to transfer the call to. For faster transfer, dial the extension directly. Then tap Transfer Call. The last part of our training today is personalizing your mobile app. We'll review some more settings on your mobile app as well as changing your ringtone to make the mobile app your own. Let's talk about your settings first. To manage your settings, tap here at the bottom of the main menu on your mobile app. To turn on Do Not Disturb, toggle the option to On here, or to turn on call forwarding, tap here. First, choose the destination where you would like your calls to be forwarded. Then, toggle call forwarding on here. You will know if your call forwarding or do not disturb features are enabled by looking at these symbols here at the bottom of your main menu screen. If they are enabled, they will appear white. If disabled, they will appear more transparent, like the image on the right. Lastly, let's go over how you can change your ringtone to make your work calls stand out. From the settings option, tap on ringtone to see the list of tones you can choose from. You can preview the ringtones by tapping on each one. Once you found one you like, tap it and a check mark will appear. As you can see here, I chose Happy Xylophone since I'm always happy to get a work call. Do you see the check mark next to it? This means it is set. Thank you for joining us for this training on how to use your desktop and mobile app to stay connected to your people. Contact your TCP to report any issues or if you need further assistance, and we'll be glad to help. Happy calling!